Hello everyone, my name is Emily and today I'm going to show you how I cook spicy Vietnamese noodle soup. For the ingredients, please look at the description below. First, I'm going to cook the noodles. Depending on what kind of noodles, follow the instructions on the package. In a pot of boiling water, add some lemongrass stems. Blanch beef shank for a couple minutes. Cook in a pot with 9 quarts of boiling water. Same thing with the pork hocks. Blanch for a couple minutes. After that, cook along with the beef shank. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of mushroom seasoning or chicken seasoning, 1 piece of rock sugar. The size should be about 1.5 tablespoons. Smash about 8 to 10 stems of lemongrass. Cut them in half. Drop the tips into the broth. In a hot pan, add in the bottom pieces of the lemongrass and some shallots. Grill them for a couple minutes. Add in 1/3 cup of oil. Fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Turn off the stove and add in 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Stir well. Add the lemongrass oil into the broth. Give it a stir to even out the oil. Remove the beef shank from the broth after 1 hour of cooking. Put it in a bowl and cover it with plastic wrap. Let it cool down. In a pot, mix 2 tablespoons of shrimp paste with 2 cups of cold water and stir well. Bring it to boil. Once it is boiled, remove it from the stove. Let it settle. In a bowl, add 2/3 cup of chopped shallots, 1 cup of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Give it a stir. Cut fresh beef into thin slices. Marinate beef with 2 tablespoons of the fish sauce mix. Add in 2 tablespoons of cooked shallots oil or olive oil. Mix well. When the shrimp paste broth is settled, pour the clear shrimp paste broth into the beef broth pot. Add 2 cups of beef broth into the remaining shrimp paste broth. Bring it back to boil. Add 2 tablespoons of the fish sauce mix. Add boiled pork blood. Cook in low temperature for 5 minutes. Cut beef shank into thin slices. Add the beef shank to the shrimp paste broth along with the pork blood. Stop cooking once adding the sliced beef shank. Add the rest of the fish sauce mix to the beef broth before serving. Add some salt if needed. If not, it's ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more. Enjoy!